Hi everyone. In this video I wanted to make a clarification on step 16 for project 3G. So in that step it wants us to insert a map chart. So the first thing it directs us to do is make our selection, which is always very important. So I'm selecting from A3 through B9. I'll go up here to insert, and then I'm over here on maps and click on the map. So I have my map chart inserted, but if you guys were looking at the solution file, it is showing just California. So if we go back over here, the only thing that I have figured out is that for some reason behind the scenes, I think the map is powered by Bing. For some reason, it does not think that San Mateo is in California. So just for kicks, let me show you this. If I were to change this instead of San Mateo, maybe I'll put in San Diego. And San Diego is a county. If I go ahead and click on that, I input it and then press enter. You'll notice now I have a map of just California because the map part of the program is seeing just California areas. And if I were to, I did a right click on any of the actual areas in here, notice it says map area. So this is our data series. If everything is in the same place, then it should give us this state province selection as well. So that's another way to kind of maneuver and see if you can, make some changes to the map. But again, if I come back over here and change it back to San Mateo, it thinks San Mateo is somewhere else, and for the life of me, I've tried and tried and I haven't been able to figure out exactly where it thinks that where San Mateo is. So for this exercise, go ahead and just submit your project 3G like this. As an experiment, you can certainly make these changes, and even if you wanted to delete, if I delete just that, then I get back to this again. So for some reason it does not like San Mateo, but for purposes of this exercise, go ahead and submit it like this. I think it will be okay, but I will be keeping an eye out on this particular exercise, and I will go ahead and give you credit for that. So sorry about the glitch. Not sure exactly what's going on, but that's kind of what I came up with. So I hope that this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.